So here's the truth. Staring at the charts, trying to time the market is inefficient, it's stressful, right? And let's be honest, it's not scalable. So what if you didn't need to stare at the chart all day, or didn't need to second guess every trade, or hope the market moves in your favor? What if you have an idea? What if you had an AI doing it for you? That would be crazy, right? An AI that watches the market 24/7, analyzes the data, and learns as it goes. What if BingX AI is just the answer? This is more than just a trading tool, it's a system that uses AI to monitor the market 24/7, analyzes patterns, and helps you make smarter decisions. So think about it. Do you want time freedom? Then you need leverage. BingX AI is leverage. You know what separates companies that last from the ones that disappear overnight? Is one thing. That, my friend, is vision. Not hype, not luck, vision. That's why what BingX just did is not just smart, it's chess. They just rolled out an AI-powered trading, and to be honest, one of the most strategic moves I've seen in the space. Because here's the thing, the market's changing and retail traders are burning out, literally. They want speed, automation, result without babysitting chart all day. They saw that and they moved first. So this AI thinks ahead. So yeah, while most of us are trying to catch up with the whole crypto thing, BingX is already 10 steps ahead. You need to explore BingX AI.